Broken sprinklers killing your lawn? Call Sprinkler Master Repair Boise, Idaho for a quick and effective fix for your lawn sprinklers. We specialize in sprinkler repairs, upgrades, winterizations, and much more. At Sprinkler Master Repair Boise, Idaho, we love providing a service that can make a person's yard beautiful and their life easier. With us, the customer's the boss. Our goal is not just to fix your lawn sprinklers, but to also make you happy by performing quality work on your irrigation sprinkler system. Don't let broken sprinklers ruin your lawn. Call Sprinkler Master Repair Boise, Idaho at 208-398-3471 to set up your appointment today.